Hello everyone. It's such a privilege today to welcome you to this special class. It is indeed a special occasion because it's the very first class that we are recording specifically for our Patreon members. So we are very thankful for that platform, and people from all over the world can now become members of our studio. So if you are maybe watching this teaser short video of this STEP class, just follow the link and you'll see exactly what to do to see more of our Patreon content. So without further ado, let's do our Latin step. Yes. Stomp quick. Say, number on. Turn stable now. Knee straddle box. Repeat aside. Repeat over. Tap around the wall. Go. Pendulum. Down. 2 kicks. Chassé box.